Hey guys, I'm Mateo with WTI, and this is the Aerobic platform health club size for home workout by the step. This was such a great tool to add into my workouts. I like to use it to add another level to my push-ups or to add a deficit when I do deadlifts. I enjoy doing dips, box jump overs, and I even use it to work on my feet speed. So really, this platform is so versatile, so many different exercises to do with it or to add difficulty to another exercise. This platform is built very strong and I like that it's very stable even after adding a few racers. The top part is not slippery and it comes with 4 different racers so I can change the height of the platform depending on what I want to work. So overall, this platform has been a great addition to my workouts. And that is my point of view.